Tell you lucky.
So it's been about a month since I've made a video, which I'm sorry. I didn't mean for that to happen, but the past few weeks have been not so good. Some things in my life have changed, and I don't really handle change very well, so I've kind of just been avoiding doing anything. I haven't really had any interest in doing the things that I usually do, like making video or just not laying in bed. Yeah, I haven't really been taking care of myself, to be honest. I don't want to make this channel like a negative place because my videos are always usually pretty positive and happy for the most part, but I'm really hoping that today I can change things around and start trying to get my life back together, back on track, which obviously isn't gonna happen in one day, but I thought I would take you guys along with me.
Don't you like when you fleeing? Well, I like to be keys. Only hold till your coffee warm. But don't hurry to speed. Once a time, put a time. And you're here on the beach, and your clutch clean heat.
So I have not been eating that well recently, but I really want to get more into cooking, so I'm gonna make myself a late lunch, early dinner meal thanks to Green Chef. Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company that makes eating well easy and affordable with plans to fit every kind of lifestyle. They have dishes for a variety of lifestyles, including keto, paleo, plant-powered, or those who simply want a little more balance, like me. I'm gonna make the chicken with spicy apricot pan sauce. I love Green Chef because it's so convenient. Everything is hand-picked and delivered right to your door, and it comes with all the ingredients you need, pre-measured, perfectly portioned, and mostly prepped. So, especially for me as a college student, I have a lot on my plate, but Green Chef makes eating healthier much easier. Green Chef is now owned by HelloFresh to offer a wider array of meal plans to choose from, so there's definitely something for everyone. I love switching between the brands for when my tastes change or when I want to eat a little differently one month, so now you guys can enjoy both brands at a discount as well. You can go to greenchef.us and use code EmmaClaire125 for $125 off plus free shipping on your first box.